Good morning. I'm Randy Lovelace with Paragon Independent Insurance Agencies. I have a little information for you that came from one of my clients. They were asking, what about my auto liability limits? I've got higher limits, much higher than what the state requires. Do I really need this much? Well, I'm going to tell you just exactly what I told them. Imagine yourself getting in an accident. Unfortunately, it is your fault. You're the cause of it. That other party, they're driving a high-end vehicle. It could be a nice BMW, a Mercedes, a Maserati, a Porsche, whatever it might be, but it's a very expensive car, well over $100,000 worth. Imagine there's multiple parties in that other car, and they're all injured, or most of them are injured with serious injuries that require hospitalization, surgeries, possibly therapy that could go on for a while. Now, that's a very expensive accident. Now, you have an insurance policy. The policy is going to pay coverages to the other party's property damage, their car, as well as their bodily injury, up to the limits of that policy. Now, if you have the low limits that only the state requires, it's not going to go very far. Now, who's responsible after your policy liability limits are exhausted? Well, unfortunately, you are. Once the limits are exceeded, the insurance company is totally out of the picture and they have no more responsibility. It goes back to you. You are the legally liable person. Now, what's going to happen here? Lawsuits, court judgments. It's a lot of financial hardship for you. Now, if you're willing to accept that, then that's okay. But if you want to protect your family, you want to protect your financial assets, you want to be able to have peace of mind, then just for literally a few dollars more per month, you can get a lot higher liability limits, giving you much more protection. If you want to know more about this and see how the differences in the liability limits, how just a little bit of premium difference works, give me a call. I'll be happy to sit down and explain it to you, show you on paper that it doesn't really cost much more to get the protection that you need for yourself and your family. Thanks for tuning in to this little segment of Did You Know, and I hope you learned something that you didn't here. My name is Randy Lovelace, Paragon Independent Insurance, giving you peace of mind because we are covering your assets. Thanks so much. Have a great week. Bye-bye.